I hate how this shirt fits, but I really like how this shirt fits. What if you and your friend were the exact same size and you wore the exact same shirt? But you, my friend, you looked a million times better in that same shirt than he does. You look better in yours because you tailored it yourself, and by the end of this video, that is exactly what you were gonna have. A t-shirt that fits you like a glove. Now sure, I could go find a more expensive brand that probably fits better, but you know what? This shirt was $9 at Target. But as we know, there's a couple of problems, so we gotta tailor it. So that is what we are gonna do. Now we had to measure it first, so if you haven't seen that video, go check it out in the card. And the thing is too, that is the hardest part of the entire process. This part is the easy part, because the only thing that we are doing is we are sewing along that established line that we made in that other video. Sewing machines are incredibly easy to use, and if you don't have one available to you, you've got 3 different options that you could use. Your first option is just go call your grandma. She wants to hear from you anyway. Before you go buy one on Amazon or anywhere else, seriously, just go check like a thrift store, like Goodwill, somewhere like that, because what ends up happening is grandma passes away, nobody else in the family knows how to use a sewing machine, so they just go donate it there. All right, let's do this. We got our machine all set up and we are ready to rock. Now I went into depth into all these settings already, so if you have no idea what any of this stuff is, go check it out in the card. But just remember, sewing machines, they've got about 20 different settings to them, and in order to tailor this t-shirt, we only need to know about 2 of those settings. A straight stitch and a zigzag stitch. We are going to use a straight stitch to establish a new seam on our shirt right where those pins are. And then we are going to use what's called a zigzag stitch to cross over that new seam so it doesn't get all frayed in the washing machine. Wait, that's it, SD? Yeah, that's it. And you're about to save a ton of money on tailoring costs. All right, so let's sew. And you can go really slow in the beginning if you need to, which is exactly what I did. But then as time went on and I did it like 100 times, I fly through these shirts now. What you do is you just angle your shirt towards the next pin, and then once you get to that pin, you just take it out and you just keep going. That's it. Once you get to the end, you lock your stitch, and guess what? You're done. Well, pretty much. Now you're gonna cut off all that extra fabric that you have, and now is when you're gonna go back and you're gonna make that zigzag stitch right across that new seam that you made. Cut and finished. You now have a t-shirt that you spent less than 10 bucks on that looks amazing on you. And it looks better on you than everybody else's shirt that they paid 3 times as much for. And you're probably like, is this really the end of the video? Is that all I have to do? Yeah, that's it. Now go get some practice shirts and have at it. And if you hate white dress shirt buttons as much as I do, go check that out down there. SD out. Deuces.